Peace of mind. That's what it's all about. Understanding how patents work will give you peace of mind and clarity to define ownership over specific technology that is yours. Hello everyone, my name is JD Houvener, USPTO patent attorney and managing partner here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Today, I'll be talking about how patents work, and more importantly, how you can make them work for you and your business plan to give you that clarity, that peace of mind that we're all looking for. Today, I'll be sharing with you how patents work, and below in the description, I've broken out each step with a timestamp in case you want to jump ahead. I've also written an in-depth blog article about this. If you want to go deeper, the link is below in the description. So, what I'm going to cover is how you can get educated about patent law. 2, why patent research is so critical. 3, the power of patent pending status. 3, confidentiality. Non-provisional versus provisional, patent portfolio building, infringement analysis, and cease and desist letters. We're covering it all today, giving you peace of mind that this really isn't all that complex. You've got to understand and appreciate that once you get into it, start working through it, you will be able to get that clarity of understanding. So let's take it from the top. How do you get educated and where do you start? Well, you're in the right spot. You're watching a video like this, good for you, kudos. I also want to recommend that you pick up a copy of my book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. The link is right below. Get a free PDF downloadable version today. Getting educated about patent law is one of those things that's going to help you be able to spot issues, right? We don't expect you to be a patent attorney, for heaven's sakes, but it'll help you identify when there should or shouldn't be a question asked. It's like you shouldn't be having to go to dental school, but you should know when you've got a toothache or not, and you should be able to identify whether it's a lack of brushing or if it's more of a serious issue, right? It's just issue spotting. That's really it. So the place to start is my book. Another great place would be our website at boldip.com. Great resource for you to get started and ask questions, visit our FAQ page, and start that journey toward getting smarter. All right, once you'll find out, the very first step of the patent process is patent search. Patent research is the king, right? This is how we understand and appreciate all inventions that come through our office. We don't just blindly file applications. We need to work through and help you fully understand what else is out there, right? What competitors, what others have published, and maybe the fact that your invention may or may not be as unique as you thought it was. All right, well, some of these scenarios can be a bit heartbreaking, but it's better to know right up front than it is after spending tens of thousands of dollars or wasting all that time thinking you've got something novel. The next step is understanding the patent pending, right? And appreciating how much power that brings to you as a business owner. When you have got your application filed after you've done your homework and confirming that it's new, you now have the ability to share your invention with investors, right? Think Shark Tank, baby. This is the time to go raise capital. Tell the world about your invention. Start a Kickstarter. Talk to associates. Start a brand new company. Being patent pending is that sweet spot of innovation and startup. You've got 1 year from filing a provisional patent application to when you must file a non-provisional. That non-provisional is what will finally get examined before the USPTO. But use that 1 year. Make sure you build your business, test your product, get those little kinks worked out, and then come back and draft your non-provisional. Work with us on that 2-step approach to helping you leverage the most out of your customer network. Now, let's talk about patent portfolio building, right? This is a term that you probably see in the newspaper and you think, oh, that's for somebody else. That's for the big guys. That's for the Microsofts, the Amazon, the Facebook. No, it's for you, right? Patent portfolio, all that means is you've got more than one patent, okay? And so starting this journey of developing more than one innovation isn't as hard as you think. Simply having an initial patent filing, you have started what will be the portfolio of an initial parent with child relationship. A child patent is one that is born of course, the parent. It's got the same specification, the same core written description and drawings that your initial patent had, which you've discovered an improvement while you're out there selling, while your customers give you feedback. And now you've got a second patent filing on a similar subject matter. That's it. You've got a portfolio. And what's powerful is you've got more than one claim set, right? Now you're talking patent lingo. A claim set, as you probably will find out in your research and education, is what you own. Okay, in a utility patent, that defines in a numbered set of claims the metes and bounds of what your invention is. When you have more than one patent, you have two claim sets, and thus a more valuable invention, a more valuable portfolio that's ready for licensing, sale, or exclusivity in the marketplace. Let's talk about what happens after you get those patents granted. Understanding the infringement, right? When someone else is stepping on your toes, you've got to enforce your rights or face latches. Latches is a legal concept that means you've been sitting on your rights. You haven't gone after those infringers. And if you wait too long, the judge will say, look, you just waited forever. And in fact, you waited so long, you were just hoping to rack up damages. You didn't go after them in a timely manner. Your case is dismissed. Ouch, right? So being able to properly enforce those rights you work so hard for starts with an infringement analysis. Is this other player really infringing on your claims? Working with a patent attorney is essential to get to that next step. I know we covered a ton in today's session. If you have questions, in fact, I'm sure you've got questions, ask them below, share it with us on social media. We'll get back with you right away. But there's no better way than taking action than scheduling a free consultation today with one of our trusted advisors. Visit our website, boldip.com, and book that free, no-cost consultation today. Thanks for watching.